From urban centers to rural areas, India has bridged the aspirations of people across the country, connecting cities by superhighways, bullet trains, and waterways. India is on the cusp of a rapid change, and roads have become the beacon in infrastructure development. Larsen & Toubro has been working closely in the infrastructure segment by manufacturing and offering a comprehensive range of road construction machinery, delivering world-class quality and reliability in performance. These machines form a part of the ambitious Make in India campaign. The L&T 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller from L&T Construction Equipment Limited is designed and built to meet the demanding tenets of the construction industry. The L&T 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller is an indigenously developed machine for Indian roads that have clinched the prestigious CII Design Award and the India Design Mark Award. The L&T 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller is a vital machine in road construction and seals the top layer after the compaction, which is at the core of stability and ensures longevity of the roads. By deploying the L&T 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller, the final bitumen coat is perfectly sealed. The pinhole count on a road surface sealed by this machine is much lower, and this reduces water percolation, leading to improved road life. The L&T 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller is powered by the fuel-efficient 4-cylinder intercooled Mahindra engine. The engine is compliant with the new CEV4 emission norms and comes with the latest engine after-treatment system EATS. The after-treatment system includes a DOC or diesel oxidation catalyst and an SCR or selective catalytic reduction, which uses DEF or diesel exhaust fluid to regulate the emission of air pollutants. L&T 2490 HD PTR weighs 12.5 tons and is filled with ballast material to increase the operating weight to a maximum of 24 tons. The machine has a voluminous ballast chamber with 3.5 cubic meter volume, and it is easy to fill. The L&T 2490 HD PTR is designed to be stable with its lower center of gravity. The ergonomic operator console in the machine can be rotated to improve the edge view, giving the operator an unhindered 1 meter by 1 meter visibility in all directions. 3-point contact with anti-skid steps for easy entry and exit for the operator is a key safety feature. The canopy is foldable and facilitates easy transportation. The L&T 2490 HD is designed with a 4x4 combination with 4 wheels in the front and 4 wheels in the rear with a tire overlap of 42 mm. The overall working width of the machine is 2042 mm. The propulsion is by hydrostatic drive, eliminating the need for a mechanical chain. The braking of the machine is hydrostatic with improved performance. The sprinkling mechanism can be varied for adjusting the water flow, and the scrappers provided are the best in class. Fuel is refilled from the ground level, making the service points easily accessible. L&T 2490 HD is ideal for applications in airports, expressways, national highways, state highways, parking lots, and housing projects. The L&T PTR 2490 HD are designed by L&T's Product Development Center and manufactured by L&T Construction Equipment Limited at Unballasted plant in Outer Bengaluru. L&T's dedicated team services the 2490 HD Pneumatic Tyred Roller 24/7 through its all-India network of dealers, workshops, and parts depots. With L&T machines, we assure you of top-class quality and long-term reliability. Every machine promises you effective asphalting, and cost-effective transaction.